So let's say I have a data set like this and I want to count only the unique values which are present in this particular data set. How to do this in Google Sheet? Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. My name is Vishal and in today's video I will show you how you can count a unique values in Google Sheets. So let's get started with the video. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel. Now let's move to the solution. We all know how to count the values in Google Sheet. What we need to do is we have to simply type here the count A and then give the range and then simply press the enter button. Now you can see we are getting the count here as a 10, but we don't need the total count here. We need here the unique count. For that, what we need to do is we have to simply type here count unique and then give here the complete range and then press the enter button. Now you can see here we are getting the unique values present in this particular data set. So this is how you can use a count unique function in Google Sheet. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to Excel Dose. Thank you so much for watching.